Hey there, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Marhaba Crypto, one of the best places to get your money making and crypto strategies, all under the context of Sharia-based and faith-based ethical financing. Now, my name is Ahmed Jawa. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of keeping your crypto safe. And how are we going to do this? By making sure you move your crypto to your Ledger wallet, to your hard wallet, regardless of which wallet you choose, but making sure it's a hard wallet. And the reasoning behind this is that the only way you can protect your crypto is by knowing that you have full control and ownership over your crypto. Now, you can put it on exchanges. Usually these exchanges are very secure, but sometimes they get hacked. And that's due to logging in or not using the 2-step or 3-step verification system. You can still get hacked and you can lose your crypto. Now, we used to live in a world where we used to use gold and silver as a form of value and as a form of currency. Then we moved to fiat, which now we put in our wallets, leather wallets, and now we're moving to a digital world. So now it's important that we also learn and understand how we store and how we carry this currency or this value forward, and that's through a hard wallet. The importance of this is safety, security, and long-term growth. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys follow and keep following to learn more. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.